the VAST interface, we use what's referred to as VMS, or the VAST management system. There are three primary ways of interfacing with VMS. VMS is going to be interfaced, or you interact with VMS either through the GUI, or through command line, or through the API. Ultimately, everything you do within VAST, including the GUI, including the command line, are all utilizing the API. So that is going to be, there's nothing that you can do through the GUI or through the command line that you couldn't do through an API call. It's very well organized for that. Just to point out here, again, for the GUI, we can just log into the GUI directly, hit the VMS IP address. We can also go through and we can access what's known as a Swagger interface to give us input into what is in the API. And for any VAST cluster, if we go through and we want to connect up to it to get some documentation information on the API, we can go to the VMS IP address /docs. And this will give us our VMS documentation with quite extensive of all the different calls that we can make, all the different commands that we can run from this, as well as a little bit of a code example on how to go through it and connect up to those.